Hey guys, Neil here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the most profitable skill in Pixels, and that is cooking. We're going to talk about how you can save resources when you're cooking and how you can get more profits with it. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So yeah, cooking is one of the best way to get coins in Pixels, and that is because the recipes under cooking are highly in demand, and mostly you would see them on your task board. The cost per energy right now is around 13 coins. So if you're planning to use your energy, you have to make sure that the industry that you're using is going to generate higher coins per energy. Under cooking, there's a lot of options that you can do. When it comes to level, it doesn't require that much. So first, we're going to talk about how I choose an item to make before crafting them. So going back here, I always make sure to include 1% marketplace fee. Now going back to cooking, we can see here that there's this orange grumpkin pie. We also have this apricot pie, which is around level 45. Going back to my skills, I think I only have around level 41 cooking. The most applicable that I can do right now is either the status crumble. We're gonna open link in new tab, and then clover fruit pie, and then orange grumpkin pie. They generate very good profit per energy. Now if we're gonna check on the item, we can see here that it has a graph. So basically this will give you an idea if the demand is stable. So if you can see under potato scramble, the demand is stable, so I think this is good. For clover fruit pie, if we can scroll. Right, okay, so the demand is also stable. For orange, the demand is also stable. So they almost have the same profit per energy. And to have less hassle, I always choose the one that requires less item. So for me, I think it's gonna be orange grumpkin pie. We're gonna remove the others. So orange grumpkin pie only requires this orange grumpkin puree and the cooking mix. You can also see here the energy cost per orange grumpkin pie. And if you just woke up like me, you still have 1000 energy and you have another 1000 from VIP sauna. So to calculate everything, you can open your calculator and then divide it by the energy cost of that item. So here, the energy cost is just 16. So open your calculator, 1000 divided by 16. So I can basically craft 63 of those orange grumpkin pie. The ingredients that I need: two of this orange grumpkin puree. So I'm gonna multiply 63 by 2. Um, so 63 times 2. I'm gonna need 126 of orange grumpkin puree. And to do that, we're gonna open this and check the items. Okay, so the cheapest right now is around 218 per orange grumpkin puree. And what I do to bulk buy the cheapest price is to use the automatic buy. So it doesn't work perfectly, but what I do here is copy a text so I can just paste it here under maximum price, because if you guys can see here, it's broken. It doesn't work really well. So the maximum price that we need to put is around 218. So what I can do is open new tab, type in 218, copy that, okay, and then paste it here. Okay, so we now have 218 as the maximum price. And for the maximum amount, we need 126. Okay, so the max that we can put is just 99. So we are going to first buy that. So the only available supply is around 30 for that price. So I think we're just fine. We're going to minus the 30. Okay, so we need 96 more. Okay, so we can go back here and then just edit this one. Okay, and there we go, guys. We now have the orange grumpkin puree that we need to burn all this energy. So for us to save some resources, if you guys have noticed, for tier 2 industries, if you have it in your spec, it actually requires this log for you to use it. But if you have a bookmarked land with tier 3 industries, they are actually electric stove. So basically, there is no need for the log for you to use them. So right now we can see that we have this cooking stove and it doesn't require this craft bark log. So what you just need to do is click here, and then if you can't find the item right away, you can just press on Control F and then type in orange grumpkin pie and then hit enter so you can see it easily. So right now I can just craft everything. So what I'm doing right now is burning all my energy with the best industry, and that gives us the best profit per energy that I'm spending compared to just randomly crafting something from the options that we have. So right now I am earning around 15 profit per energy. So for 1,000 energy that I have, I would get around 15 something. Yeah, so I would get around 15,000 coins, and that is for 1,000 energy. So if I'm gonna get another 1,000 energy from Sona, that's around 30k profit per energy, and that is just by crafting this orange grumpkin pie. So this is my guildmate, and Darko is the landowner. So shout out to him for making this cozy house with a lot of tier 3 industries. So yeah, this is how you do it, guys. If you guys can see, I'm burning my energy the fastest way as possible, but with the best profit per energy. I'm gonna just let the cooking finish, and I'm gonna sell the orange grumpkin pie for a profit, and I'm gonna use those profit or coins to do more tasks in Pixel. So yeah, guys, this is all. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I was able to help. I will see you in my next video.